I feel like I've been learning, and I'm really satisfied.
Now, our teaching is strongly driven and fed by research at Leiden University. And maybe you've experienced it thus far, you may not have just yet. But that really means that it's intensive and active learning, but also there's some flexibility in choosing your own study path and choosing electives and these kinds of things. And this really speaks to the sort of educational methods and how we teach in the Netherlands. And I'm curious, because you also all come from different backgrounds to a certain extent, how do you find the education system compared to what you were doing in secondary school in the countries that you've come from or experienced over your secondary schooling?
They have a much more individualized approach to learning. So professors really pay attention to the ways that you will most effectively learn, and it has a more hands-on approach as well. So for us, we get to design our own projects, design our own exhibitions. It's also very discussion-based, so I think you really feel heard as an individual as well, and you're given the space to express your opinions.
I've met professors who stay like 1 hour, 2 hours extra for questions. I feel like I can ask any question, I can speak my mind, and I will be helped if I don't understand stuff by either professors, tutors, or anybody from the faculty in general. So I really like this approach of helping on the individual level way more than, for example, in France, where it's different, where it's just a whole class and you just move on with everyone at the same time.
I was already used to the Dutch education system, but I wasn't always in a Dutch school. I was in international schools. It's quite different in the sense that it's very focused on passing. It's a lot more work to do more than the baseline, but the lectures are always informative. The quality of the textbooks is really high. I feel like I've been learning, and I'm really satisfied.
I mean, maybe we can switch gears a little bit and talk about sort of what your program is like. Maybe you can take me through maybe a typical week.
So I like to organize it in terms of, okay, so Monday I will study, I will read, for example, chapter 6 from this book. I will make a summary of it, I'll study it, I'll take notes, and then I'll do some statistics exercises.
Maybe per week I have, let's say, 2 lectures per week, so 3 hours, so 6 hours in total, and then I have 6 hours of work groups. In general, I tend to go to university in the morning at 10, go to my lecture until maybe 1, and then I stay at university until maybe 6 to work, and then I dinner with friends or stuff like that.
In my studies, we only have 14 contact hours a week, so where I'm actually actively in a lecture work group. And I'm in my 3rd year now, so I'm also doing a minor. The amount of time I spend in university has decreased a lot, so I have 2 days off. It was quite a challenge at the beginning to plan my time, of course, because it's a lot of self-study, so I have to prepare a lot of readings and assignments. Since I live quite far from the center, when I am in university, I try to stay late in the library, catch up on my work there. But I definitely have enough time as well to just pursue leisure activities. I play volleyball, I go to yoga, a lot of time management skills.